They usually open on the Friday before the first Advent and close 1 or 2 days before Christmas Eve. The oldest markets date back to the 14th and 15th century. The original purpose of these early markets was to stock up for the long winters and to add a bit of light on the dark months. Open-air winter street markets were associated more especially with the Christmas in Germany, with the first Christkindlmarkt taking place a century later. In 1384, this was the eastern hilltop town of Bautzen, Saxony. I'm Ken from Travel the World with Thorkenn. If you are new for my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and click notification bell so that you will be notified if I uploaded my new travel experience video. Enjoy watching. Ken from Travel the World with Thorkenn. A towering 1,000-year-old cathedral, millions of lights, and the scenes of mulled wine and gingerbread. These are the things that makes the Aachen Christmas market. Welcoming the 1.5 million visitors every year, this market is one of the best in the Western Germany. Welcome to Aachen Christmas Market. For about 4 weeks before Christmas, the squares and the lanes around Aachen Cathedral and the town hall are transformed into a Christmas village. Twinkle lights and the scent of mulled wine and the Aachener Printen or cold kind of gingerbread. Wherever you go and all in a unique atmosphere. It's no coincidence that Aachen Christmas Market has regularly made it into the top 10 best Christmas market in Europe in the recent year. German Christmas markets are a long-standing tradition on the German events calendar, and people from around the world dream of visiting the special festive market in Europe. Many families love to visit the festive markets in their regions in the evening, and they might even venture farther to nearby towns to experience the fantastic Christmas atmosphere that many different markets exude. One of the oldest cathedrals in Europe, it was constructed by the order of Emperor Charlemagne, who was buried there in 814. From 936 to 1531, the Palatine Chapel saw the coronations of 31 German kings and 12 queens. The church has been the mother church of the Diocese of Aachen since 1930. This UNESCO World Heritage Convention, it is the Emperor Charlemagne's own Palatine Chapel, which constitutes the nucleus of the Cathedral of Aachen, located in the Western Germany. The constructions of the chapel between 793 and 813 symbolizes the unifications of the West and the spiritual and the political revival under the aegis of Charlemagne. Originally inspired by the churches of the eastern part of the Holy Roman Empire, the octagonal core was speedily enlarged in the Middle Ages. In 814, Charlemagne was buried here. The cathedral treasury in Aachen is regarded as one of the most important ecclesiastical treasuries in Northern Europe. The most prominent inventory items are the Cross of Lothar, about 1000 AD, made from gold and inlaid with the precious stones, the dark blue velvet chasuble with the embroidered purse and religious bust of Charles Magny made from the silver and gold, and the marble sarcophagus decorated with a relief of the abductions of the Prospine, which one of contained by the body of Charles Magny. This Striezelmarkt in Dresden is one of the first genuine Christmas markets in the world. Founded as one-day market in 1434, it celebrated their 589th anniversary in 2023. Its 240 stands attract about 3 million visitors from all over the world. The annual market lasts throughout the Advent season until Christmas Eve. Dresden has the largest number of Christmas markets in the eastern part of country and is one of the cities that are able to lay claim to the title of being oldest seasonal event in Germany. Certainly, it is one of the most traditional, with many of the customs, surroundings, and the main city markets stemming from local industries like mining, woodworking, and a pottery. The Streisel market originally started back in the 15th century. The word Streisel actually refers to a cake made at this time of the year called Stollen, which is also found on the other part of Germany, but in this area is reputed to represent the entrance to the mines of the nearby Erzgebirge range. At the typical markets, these are the dozens of stalls selling traditional homemade arts and crafts such as glass baubles, carved nativity scenes, jewelry, wooden toys, knitwares, pottery, and ceramics. There are also food stalls that cater for the visitors craving for the traditional German Christmas delicacies such as Lebkuchen or the gingerbread, roasted sweet almonds and maruna or the hot cheese nuts, as well as more hearty foods such as bratwurst or the sausage, flammkuchen or the flatbread, or the obligatory hot tea or the glühwein, or cold red spice wine. Usually non-alcoholic versions are available too. Other things to do in Dresden: visit the museums. Dresden was the once at the home of the Electors of Saxony, rich rulers who controlled an area stretching into present-day Poland. The treasures they collected are especially their art collections is well worth visiting. Most of the important galleries and museums are located in the old royal residences. Walk along the river. Dresden is situated on the river Elbe, but this river walks is not directly on the banks. Broad terrace called the Balcony of Europe was built in the 18th century, and then as now was a spot wandering above the river and people watching. The Christmas market, which is one of the most beautiful in Germany, transformed the small town into an enchanting world full of lights and Christmas scenes. It's the lovingly decorated Christmas barn on the Deidesheim Hope and the offer delicious treats of homemade Christmas punch. The Deidesheim Advent is an annual Christmas market event known for traditional character and the historic scene of the town. The market takes place every year on all four Advent weekend, from Friday to Sunday, attracting visitors with a festive atmosphere. Deidesheim, renowned for its wine tradition and historic architecture, offers the perfect backdrops for this special market. The town square, surrounded by significant buildings like St. Ulrich Parish Church and the historic town hall, forms of the heart of the market. This historical landmark lent the market a unique atmosphere, transporting visitors back in time. The market stalls, stretching along the town square, offer a variety of handcrafts, local products, and Christmas decorations. A distinctive picture of the Design Advent is the mix of traditional crafts and modern, creative offerings, setting it apart from other Christmas markets. Visitors can look forward to a range of culinary delights, typical regional specialties such as Palatinate sausages, steamed noodles, and roasted almonds, along with the selections of local wines and mulled wines, are available to warm up the cold winter days. The Deidesheim Advent is not only a fest for a sense but also to warm hospitality and festive mood that fills the air, making it an unforgettable experience. The Advent markets will take place on the second day from the Friday 22 December to Saturday 23 December 2023 in Deidesheim Hall. Some of Germany's existing Christmas markets trace their origin as far back as the 15th and 16th centuries. Dresden Market first opened for one day on Christmas Eve in 1434. Meanwhile, the oldest evidence of Nürnberg's Christmas market dates into 1628, though some suspect it stretches back at least in 1530. Why is the most famous German Christmas market, the Nürnberg Christkindlesmarkt, one of the oldest and the most famous Christmas market in the world. The Nürnberg Christmas Markt, or the Little City of the Wood and Cloth, is held each year on Nürnberg's main market square. Every small town in Germany you can see as Christmas market to celebrate the season of Christmas. If you want to see more on Christmas market in Germany, please do check the links on my description down below. I'm Ken from Travel the World with Thorkenn. Thank you for the love and support to my channel. Feel free to leave your comments about what did you saw or any feedbacks that will help my channel to improve in the future. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and click the notification bell so that you will be notified if I uploaded my travel experience video. Stay safe and take care.